Have you ever had this happen to you? Boing. Yes, it is the classic flip-flop breaking disaster. Probably happens while you're walking down the street. What do? Oh, you throw the flip-flops out. No, you don't. Especially if they're flip-flops that you really like. I've had these ones for as long as I can remember. Well, that's not true, but a long time. And I love these because they're old and they're made with a really high quality squishy rubber, and they fit my feet perfectly. Like this part, the thong, is never ever too loose. I just didn't want to throw them away, and I couldn't find any others that I liked. So I went to my trusty hardware store and looked around for a while, and I found this little common object, which you may recognize as a rubber washer. I just found the one that I thought would fit the best, and I put the thong back through. By the way, that will never hold it for long. And then I fit the rubber washer around the thong, and voila, can you believe that? It really, really works. Here's the other one. It's been on there for at least 6 to 9 months, and nothing's going anywhere. So don't throw your flip-flops out.